channel. Hope everybody's having a great day. You will see this outfit and makeup in the Boxy pop-up video. I had 2 videos to do. Thought I'd do them back to back. I do want to let you know that I did try the Melt Makeup highlighting Supernova that I purchased, and I love it. It is a purple tinted highlighter, so just wanted to get that out there. Anyway, today we're going to be doing the unboxing of our Sephora Play for July 2019. If you don't know what Sephora Play is, it is a $10 a month subscription where you get sample size products that can all be found at Sephora. I have enjoyed this box since I've started getting it, except for trying to get into it. It is, I'm still a little lost on that part. It does not want to open, but we won. Okay, so this is how it comes. Show off and share using hashtag Sephora Play. And every month you get a little pamphlet, and then inside is our bag full of goodies. So let's go ahead and look at this. The theme for this month is Isle of Beauty. So it's just a little quick game. Desert Island Essentials. It's just a little quick game. Down here is your 50 play points that you can use online or in store. And then on the back tells you everything that you received in your box. So let's go ahead and go through this and see what we received this month. So the bag this month is green, which is, they have been changing up the color, which makes it a little bit funner and interesting instead of the same old in and out. So the first thing I'm pulling out is from Lancome. This is a bifacial double action eye makeup remover. Feel calm, cool, and collected knowing this liquid remover will take off even the most budge-proof makeup. This was award-winning. Shake, shake, shake the bottle to activate the formula, then soak a cotton pad with it. Hold the pad over your eyes and meditate, aka wait a few seconds, then wipe away. There's no need to tug or pull. So this will be interesting to use. Right now it does have a safety seal, so I'm not going to open that. I was going to smell it, but I will wait. Right now I'm using the Clinique Take the Day Away or my Pharmacy Green Clean Balm. I love both of them. So that'll be something new and interesting to try. The next thing I'm pulling out is from Kiehl's. This is Ginger Leaf and Hibiscus Firming Mask. Fall asleep anywhere, even on a desert island with this on, and you'll wake up with visibly firmer, smoother skin. That would be great. How to use. Apply a quarter size amount to cleanse skin before bed and leave it on while you catch those Z's. In the morning, cleanse skin to remove the mask. So Kiehl's is a great company. It does have a nice smell. It's a peachy kind of cream. It's really thick. So, but it does have a nice scent to it. So that will be great. I will try that. I am not opposed to sleeping masks. The next thing I'm pulling out is from Coors. Sorry. See if that'll focus. Okay, that's about as good as it's going to focus. I'm sorry. Coors Greek Yogurt Foaming Cream Cleanser. No soap, no problem. This cream to foam cleanser uses skin nourishing Greek yogurt to wash away makeup and impurities. Get the ingredients. Greek yogurt moisturizes skin and delivers essential amino acids. Honeysuckle provides antibacterial benefits. Amrintha seed extract calms skin, and this is an exclusive. So, and it also is safety sealed, so I'm not going to open that, but I will definitely let you know what I think of it when I use that. Then we have, this month, you either get a foil packet or a perfume sample. And this month I got the perfume sample. This is my bonus. It is the Dolce & Gabbana light blue. This fresh scent is like dipping your toes into the Mediterranean. And while sipping cucumber water, need we say more? Meet the blend. Fragrance family is fresh. The top notes is Granny Smith apple. The middle notes are bamboo and white rose. And the bottom notes are cedarwood and musk. So, I will definitely give that a try and see what it smells like. Oh, it is not a sprayer. It's got the little cap that you take out, which I usually make a mess with these. But it does smell good. So, there is that. And that was our bonus for this month. The next thing in here is from Isle of Paradise. This is a self-tanning drops in medium. We all know how I feel about self-tanning. Nonetheless, get a desert island tan without the whole lost at sea part. These self-tanning drops can be added to your moisturizer for a sun-kissed glow. How to use. Add 1 to 12 drops to your favorite moisturizer. The more drops you use, the deeper your tan will be. Then apply to skin. PSA, don't forget to wash your hands after using. This was chosen for my skin tone, and it is an exclusive for Sephora. I'm not sure if I will be trying this. We all know my little Allure self-tanning fiasco. So, there is that. It is 100% vegan and cruelty-free, which is nice. Add your color-correcting self-tanning drops into any moisturizer and get ready to be transformed. The more drops you add, the deeper your glow. 2 to 12 drops for the face and décolleté. There's avocado oil, chia seed oil, coconut oil for added hydration. Sounds great. Sounds wonderful. No, I probably won't use it though. And then the last thing in here is by Beccas. Okay. It is the Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed Highlighter in Champagne Pop. This pinky peach highlighter delivers... Oh no! And it's crumbled. Oh. Well, that sucks. Okay, well, I will have to press that back in and see if I can get it to stay. But I've never had a product come broken from Sephora until today. So, there's what that highlighter looks like. It is very pretty. It, of course, is a champagne colored highlighter, as is with most highlighters. I do like the champagne colored highlighters. I'm not real big on them. I like the purple, blue, pink. But I will definitely try it after I repress it. Either way, it says this Pinky Peach highlighter delivers a flare so bright you'll be seen by rescue planes or maybe just look really good in selfies. How to use. Apply anywhere you want. a touch of radiance, like your cheekbones and the bridge of your nose. Then sit back and bask in your own glow. And this is an exclusive, so I will definitely have to repress that and let y'all know how I liked it. Either way, that was our Sephora play for July of 2019. Comment down below, what did you get? Did you like the things that you got? Are you going to use the things that you got? If anybody has used the items that I received and you have any tips or tricks or anything like that, comment down below, let me know. I love hearing from y'all. So on that note, I'm going to end this video. So you have a great day and stay beautiful. Bye.